Welcome back to TakeApart. As your NISSAN Micra has the same problem with the door lock, it's not working, it is pretty easy fix. Pop the cover, pop the window switch panel, remove the 6mm bolt and pop the door card. It's very easy. Get into the door, star socket screws for door lock, remove the window trim, 6mm bolt, undo the line, unit of hunting, and remove the door lock. Remove few plastic locks around the unit and this metal piece on the middle. Just push it out. Then remove the cover. On the cover is mounted the small motor. Now you have to open it because there is a problem. Just be careful, don't bend those brushes. The small square piece is like a resistor and that's a broken. You can replace it for any steel piece. I use the spring washer and put everything back on. Put the motor back and the plastic piece just click on place. Then put a metal piece back on, use a small hammer or pliers and carefully put it on the place, tie the screws, put the thing on the place, bolt it on, click the plug, put a window trim, put a window button with the panel back on, nice cover, and should all work. Your door will work again as it's brand new. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.